I am more excited about eating chicken than I've ever been in my whole life. I'm in front of Willie Mae's. This is supposedly the best fried chicken in America, and we're gonna find out if that's actually true. I'm gonna get into this hellacious line. I'll see you guys in about an hour. So tell me about the family history, because obviously this is a really storied institution. You've got a James Beard Award. You're mentioned on every travel guide.
Actually, it started as a bar. So the rear room was the bar, and in the back of there was a barber shop, and this main dining room that's in the front, that was a beauty salon.
So you could come and get drunk and beautified.
Absolutely.
All in one place. You haven't changed too much about the restaurant, right?
No, just the volume of people that we serve, and I have different menu items, you know, like our tenders and nuggets and just different other things. Somewhere along the line, they started saying that the chickens came from heaven just to get fried here. I think Lola Eli said something like that.
That's pretty
and,
apt.
Right, and
frankly.
then John T. Edge, he wrote a book about fried chicken.
Right, and
that also brought more notoriety and attention to our fried chicken. It was the American story about fried chicken, and people started having us on national programs.
So it's just that you started selling more chicken than anything,
More chicken.
Right?
This was just a neighborhood eatery. It's just a neighborhood restaurant.
So basically you went from being a bar, beauty shop, and then they added food, and like the food has taken over the whole thing,
Yeah,
right?
the food
Do you
just
even
took
sell
over.
alcohol
We don't
anymore?
even sell alcohol anymore. It's just a restaurant.
All right, here we have it. Red beans and rice, cornbread. This is a white meat platter. This is a dark meat platter. And here we have fried okra. So let's address the chicken. My instinct is always to go for the drumstick, and look at this specimen. It is, you see the color of this? It is bronze. Okay, I'm gonna try the batter first. You know when people say meat melts in your mouth? Like, this batter literally melts in your mouth. I've never had anything like this. This is profoundly superb chicken. Like, I'm laughing because I can't imagine, like, you've had so much fried chicken in your life and you're like, fried chicken is great. This is an order of magnitude above any fried chicken I've eaten. And my hands are actually coated in grease, but it's not greasy tasting. It's just a real clarity of flavor. And I'm really digging this heat. It kind of builds up on the palate. This is addictive stuff, guys. The drumstick obviously is like the perfect handle, but to be honest with you, there's a sign, you know, there's sinew in here. It's not the easiest thing to eat, and you don't get as much of a dark meat hit than you do from the thigh, which is what I have here, guys. You can see how the skin underneath has bubbled up, and it has like all these like beautiful crunchy nodes. Okay, I'm just gonna eat pure crunch. I know there's no actual meat there, but I don't think I really care. Words are escaping me. This is actually far more flavorful than the drumstick. Really getting into that thigh meat, which to me is the best part of the bird. Okay, let's do the wing thing. Nice. The drumette. Best drumette anyone's ever eaten. That's superb. I love a dry batter, right? Where you dredge the chicken and then deep fry it, but there's something about the encasement afforded by a wet batter that you don't only cover the chicken, but you sort of develop this like third dimension of crunch because it kind of folds in on itself. What's amazing is this chicken has been on the table for quite some time, and listen to this. Can you hear how crunchy that is? It's insane. Okay, I have to say, I've eaten a lot of chicken in my day. That was bar none, like the platonic ideal. I don't want to eat any other fried chicken. What's the secret?
Love.
This is obviously a wet batter.
Yeah.
You're getting a seasoning in the actual chicken itself that I associate really with a dry dredging. Are you doing something to it that you're not telling me about?
I'm pretty sure I'm doing something that I'm not telling you about. I'm just doing what I saw my grandmother do over and over and over again. And
So it's about honoring that tradition.
right.
Well, again, life-changing chicken. Thank you so much. I'm going to get back in line because I need more of this.
Thank you for coming.
Well, no,
We
it was a real
appreciate it.
pleasure. Thank you so much. That's it for me from the Meat Show for now. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next episode.
This is an off-menu item.
Wow, but people, obviously the reputation precedes it.
Yes.